how to use credits on CNFans in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use credits on CNFans. So let me tell you what is credits. Credits are loyalty points you earn through actions like shipping hauls, daily check-ins and completed orders. So you redeem credits on the Hall Fans rewards platform accessible via CNFans, where you can claim limited time free items. So you have to visit hallfans.com, log in with your CNFans account, navigate to redeem products under the credit section and browse available items and click redeem, which generates a redeem code. Back on CNFans, go to your credits page, paste the redeem code and confirm to claim the item. So you have to complete daily check-ins and haul orders to build up points, monitor Discord or the site for flash redeem drops, act fast inventory sells out quickly when the reward window opens. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.